In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to participate in Kucoin's free-to-earn campaign, which is a great way to earn while learning about cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto world, Kucoin offers an engaging platform to expand your knowledge and earn rewards simultaneously. So, let's dive right in and go through the steps to get involved. First, you'll need to head over to Kucoin's official website. So open up your web browser of choice and type in kucoin.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. Now, to take part in any of Kucoin's features, logging in is essential. Look for the Login button, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. Here, you have access to an array of features and tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate more efficiently in the future. Next, seek out the More option in the navigation menu. Clicking on More will give you a drop-down list of additional features Kucoin offers that are not immediately visible on the main dashboard. From the drop-down, click on the Information section. This area is a treasure trove of insights and updates related to the crypto market and Kucoin's offerings. Once there, you will see the Learn and Earn option. Clicking on it will lead you to a section dedicated to informative content designed to help users learn more about cryptocurrencies. This educational approach is part of what makes Kucoin such a unique platform and why it's favored by so many users worldwide. Now that you've reached the Learn and Earn section, locate the Earn option. By clicking here, you can explore Kucoin's free-to-earn campaign, where you'll find various learning modules. Engaging with these modules not only boosts your crypto knowledge, but also enables you to earn rewards. The Learn and Earn approach is particularly beneficial for those who want to delve deeper into the cryptocurrency market without initial investments or risks. And that's how you participate in Kucoin's free-to-earn campaign. To sum it up, navigate to Kucoin's website and log in or create an account. Once logged in, explore the homepage. Use the More drop-down to access information. Then click on Learn and Earn. And finally, proceed to Earn to start your journey. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to both learning and earning in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and happy earning!